Welcome, there's not an organ within our body that can come close to detoxifying our blood as compared to the liver. And that's what we're going to discuss today. Your liver has more than 500 vital functions. That's right, the liver is a dark reddish-brown organ and weighs about 3 lbs, and it's located in the upper right-hand portion of your abdominal cavity beneath the diaphragm and on top of the stomach, right kidney, and intestines. Scientific research shows that there's over 500, that's right, 500 vital functions that your liver does for you. It produces bile, which carries away waste and breaks down fats into the small intestine during digestion. It produces cholesterol. It helps in the conversion of excess glucose into glycogen for storage. It regulates the blood levels of amino acids, which form the building blocks of proteins. It processes hemoglobin for use of its iron content. It clears the blood of drugs and other poisonous substances. It regulates blood clotting. It resists infections by making the immune factors and removing bacteria from the bloodstream. It also clears bilirubin from accumulating in the body, which can turn your skin and eyes yellow. And I want you to appreciate how important your liver really is. With all the toxins, sugars, fried foods, poor diet that you've been taking in over all these years, it's your liver that's been keeping you healthy. So give it credit and take care of it. And the majority of people today worldwide still eat a very poor diet. Excessive refined carbs, and that leads to weight gain. That excessive fat leads to a fatty liver. And what about people who love to drink alcohol? That in itself can lead to more inflammation of those liver cells, causing cirrhosis. So if we look at our past and speed it up, fast forward where we are today, our liver has taken enough abuse. So now it's time to introduce this healing herb called milk thistle. And this medicinal herb contains many important phytochemicals. And the main active component of milk thistle is Silymarin. And this is what's known to help protect the liver. Silymarin has hepatoprotective properties as shown by numerous research studies. It is considered a potent antioxidant and can inhibit the formation of lipid peroxide in the hepatic cells of the liver. On top of that, it also has antifibrotic properties, and that psyllium in a milk thistle helps increase cellular regeneration within your liver. And it has amazing anti-inflammatory properties, as it can help protect liver disease progression and prolong the life in people with alcoholic cirrhosis and enhance overall quality of life in people with liver disease. The Silymarin milk thistle has these powerful antioxidants that can help rebuild the liver. It's so potent that it's more powerful than vitamin C and even vitamin E. And better news, all our vital organs within our body work along with the liver. Remember, the liver manufactures cholesterol. People who have high cholesterol levels will benefit from Silymarin. And Silymarin can also play a tremendous role increasing insulin sensitivity. Milk thistle comes in oral capsules, tablets, liquids, or even in teas. So, do your homework on milk thistle, something that you just may want to consider. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below because I know there'll be many. And most important, make it a great day.